was a bird, he was an arrow. I was allured by the straight and the narrow. What could I do? His aim was true. Straight to the heart, I let it happen. I couldn't hardly have ever imagined that when he went through me, he'd hate what he's doing and make me feel stupid for choosing him too. Cause I'm a giver and a giver is a bad, bad thing to be. He's a killer and a killer's even worse for folks like me. Cause I never really wanna feel the hurt from anybody, but it just keeps happening. Yeah, it just keeps happening.